Isabel, you're excited, Isabel? You can go close to me. Hello everyone, welcome to Travel and Taste. Today's video, I'm going to take you to Junction. What's the name again? Thunder Junction. Okay. Guys, it's gonna be welcome to Thunder Junctions. It's located to Washington State. No.
Washington State. We're not that far away.
Located to Washington City, St. George, Utah. Okay, this is like a mini dinosaur land for kids. It's a free admission, and you only have to pay $1 if you want to go ahead and ride the train. This is good for kids, especially boys. They have splash pads, zip line, there's a picnic area, and so much more. So let's go inside. Speak. You know here. Yeah,
What's that on your head?
Thank you. Cha-cha.
That's why I started wearing a purse.
Steven! Cheers! Oh, I can't. It's still. So it's got more like a playground for kids, of course. There's a water there right down the fountain with the kids, and you have slides in here. Nice. This is what you call this one here, Gabby?
Tunnel slide? Some kind of slides.
Say hi. guys, thank you very much for watching the Traveling Days. That's it for now for our video for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget your comments, likes, and share. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And I see you in my next video. Bye for now. There, you guys like looking.